Hi, welcome to Counseling Psychology. My name is Laura Camus and I'll be your professor. This course is designed to cover the basic concepts and interventions used by professional counselors. We're also going to talk about the primary issues that counselors face in their day-to-day work. So as you may know, this course does not have a required textbook. So each week you're going to want to make sure that you go through the units carefully because everything you need to know is going to be in those units. And then I also post a summary on Sundays, so in the announcements section. So you want to check those out as well because they, like I said, they give you a brief summary of what we'll be doing, a heads up on any assignments that are due, and then if there's any other pertinent information that comes up, I'll share that in the announcements as well. If anything comes up during the week that is, important for you to know sooner than later, I'll also post an announcement. So you should see those in your email, which you probably want to check, on a pretty regular basis because it is a common way that we communicate in online classes. So my office is not on campus. So if you need to meet with me, we can schedule time that's mutually convenient. And you can feel free to text me and call me. And then also email me anytime. And I get back to you within 24 hours if I don't answer right away. So yeah, if, in terms of, late work or emergencies, please make sure you have my phone number so that you can, text me if you need anything, because you'll want to definitely, reach out in those situations before a deadline passes. And then make sure that you review the syllabus and the class policies, which are posted in the announcement for this week. And the syllabus is actually in the course information tab in the Blackboard. So if you have any questions, you can always feel free to reach out, let me know. In closing, I just am really looking forward to working with you. This class is very interesting and can be exciting. So I look forward to our time together and I wish you all the best. If you need anything, just let me know. Alrighty. Thank you.